Bleaching of cotton material. Bleaching is basically a process to destroy or removing natural coloring matters present in cotton material. So naturally the cotton material looks little yellow in color. So this natural yellow coloring matter is of no harm to the fiber except that it diminishes the fiber whiteness. If the fiber is to be dyed very dark or dull shades and where fiber brightness no important, no bleaching is required. However, for light and medium shades or when the fiber brightness important, bleaching becomes essential operation before dyeing or printing. The bleached cotton material we also called as RFD means ready for dyeing. The whiteness index of RFD fabric will be 65 to 75 CIE, where we measured in spectrophotometer, and the full form of CIE is Commission International Declarage, usually called as delta E. For pure white fabric, where the whiteness index should be above 100 CE. So the RFD is treated with optical brightening agent for achieving pure whiteness. Bleaching agents. Here are some examples of bleaching agents used to bleach the textile material in bleaching process. There are two types of bleaching agents. One is oxidation bleaching agents and another reductive bleaching agent or reducing bleaching agents. The oxidation bleaching agents are used much more than reducing bleaching agents. These agents use oxygen directly or indirectly for the bleaching action. Nascent oxygen decomposes coloring matter completely into simpler compounds which can be washed away with water during washing and which do not give any trouble at later stage. Next, the reducing bleaching agents. In most of the reducing bleaching agents, it produces nascent hydrogen and this nascent hydrogen combines with the coloring matter in the fiber to produce a colorless compound which remains in the fabric. This generally gets oxidized back to the original coloring matter upon exposure to the air. So, it not permanent whiteness we are achieving in reducing bleaching process. Hence, the whiteness produced by a reducing bleaching agent is not permanent. There are two systems in oxidation bleaching agents, that is peroxide system and chlorine system. In peroxide system, some example of bleaching agents are hydrogen peroxide, sodium peroxide, potassium permanganate, sodium perborate, paracetic acid and other para acids. In chlorine system, some of the examples, that is bleaching powder, sodium hypochlorite, sodium chloride, lithium hypochlorite and chloramine. Next, here some example of reducing bleaching agents: sulfur dioxide, sodium hydrosulfite, sulfoxylates, acidic sodium sulfate and sodium bisulfates. In textile industry, mainly there are four typical oxidizing bleaching agents used in bleaching process. So sodium chloride bleaching process and sodium hypochlorite bleaching process, we also usually called as chemicking process. So third one, calcium hypochlorite, that is bleaching powder, and finally hydrogen peroxide. So among the four oxidizing bleaching agent, hydrogen peroxide is a universal bleaching agent because it is a eco-friendly bleaching agent and we can bleach all natural and man-made fibers by using this hydrogen peroxide, and also it produces permanent or more whiteness as compared to oxidizing bleaching agents. Out of the four bleaching process, the sodium chloride bleaching is old method and now outdated because of the harmful chlorine gas which is generated and also it produces corrosiness to steel vessels where we are using in bleaching process, and we are used for bleaching process. However, this process is still in use in some hand processing units. Thank you for watching. For uploading more videos, please do subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.